Hi everyone, it's me Shagun and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I'm really excited for this fun and creative project that I'm going to share with you all. So recently I purchased a tote bag just for $8 and I decided to give it a complete transformation and makeover with the celestial theme. So we are talking about sun, moon, stars and all those dreamy vibes. So let's make this plain and boring bag into a beautiful, magical, celestial masterpiece. Let's go.
So I already drew on the design of the painting that I want to do on this bag, and then I started with the lighter colors first, that is yellow, and then I'm slowly adding warmer tones like browns, oranges to give the depth in the sun. And I also painted the moon with pastel purple shade that I made with blue, red and white, and then adding on the cider border of this drawing so that it pops out. So I'm adding black on the sides and I'm giving shaded effect, the faded effect on the outer corners of this black shade, also adding some stars, some glitters with the black paint so that it looks all together, it comes out all together, and adding some more details to the sun, moon, and I also used a glitter pearl white shade for the highlights. That looks very beautiful.
So I just finished painting and I can't believe that from such a simple and inexpensive bag, it has turned into a beautiful celestial chic masterpiece. Ta-da! Look how beautiful is this. I really loved painting this one and look how beautiful it looks now. It was plain canvas bag, and see what some little amount of paints and creativity can do to a plain bag. I hope this video inspired you to be creative and see potential in everyday things. I really enjoyed this one, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching my videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.